Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus in bright white. With automatic headlamps, premium fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, heated second row seats, seat back video screens, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63518A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.